So the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the blend tool. And this is going to work with if you have two different colors and you want them to be blended into each other. So here I have two circles. In this tool, it really matters which circle is technically on top of the other. So if I were to move this yellow circle, it's the one that I drew last, therefore it's on top of the orange one. So if I select both of these, and then I can grab my blend tool. Now I'm going to draw a line from the topmost shape to whatever is below it. Or I lied, it's the back way, opposite of what I said. I always get it mixed up, and so you guys just might have to play around with it yourself. So there's a great blend in between these two shapes. I believe I can still move these around. I might be wrong. Okay, that's cool, you can. Now, this also works, let's say, let me ditch these ones. And I can maybe create different types of shapes. And now can connect those back together. So, yeah, right. Now in this, I also I double clicked on this on that button, on that tool, which a lot of these tools double click on them because you might have more options that happen. So I'm going to double click on that tool. Right now I have it set to smooth color. I can also say that I want specified steps, which means that it'll take 8 grades of color in between each one. Let me select it first and see if it'll change. So now you see that shape as it's morphing from one to the other, and you'll be able to count the 8 shapes that happen in between those two shapes. And then I think there was one more. Oh, you can have it's about the orientation of it. It'll move along an arc on that side or stay kind of in its vertical position along any sort of path between those two. Or specified distance. Okay, that's a different one. So that's a 4-point distance, not a whole lot of, distance between the shapes. What if I put it at 20? You'll see those start to become defined a little bit more. So this is kind of a cool way I can see using for like optical illusions, if that would be something that you want to explore a little bit more. That might be kind of fun. So that is, again, the blend tool. Blend. So, cool. That's all I got.